myself Lekha Navle. I along with my team members, we are going to present our project ideas. First one is Android based smart water pump controller with water level detection technique. Second one is fertilizer quality monitoring system in the supply chain based on wireless sensor networks. Third one is IOT based crop protection system against wild animal attacks. So first one is it is used to control water pumps used in household and buildings, and it is with water level detection technique. So basically we are going to make a system in which it can automatically control water pumps, and it can detect water level and second is fertilizer quality monitoring system in the supply chain based on wireless sensor networks. It can measure phosphorus.
देखो आप हमेशा इसके
बोल
और जोर से बोलो.
It can measure phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium in soil, for which NPK sensor it is used, and it can the recording time and the test sample are automatically saved with the display feature, and also displayed on LCD. The data can be transferred to remote base station monitoring software for analysis, storage and real-time display. Third one is IoT based crop protection system against wild animal attacks. In this project, the PIR sensor and ultrasonic sensor are used to detect the movement of the animal and send signal to the controller. It diverts the animal by producing sound and signal further. This signal is transmitted to GSM and which gives an alert to farmers. So next one, Disha is going to tell you.
Our fourth project is IOT Based Office Automation using Wi-Fi technology. It is quite difficult for individual office owners to operate one or more offices rooms and keep track of each office appliances individually. So here we are going to purpose the act of creating an automation system for office appliances using Internet of Things is to turn on or off office appliances which are not in use. Our fifth project is automatic whiteboard and blackboard cleaning. Cleaning blackboards or whiteboard consumes a lot of time while teaching. We are here purpose an automatic blackboard whiteboard cleaning that cleans the entire board automatically with just a button click. The system is designed to save a lot of time and unnecessarily effort needed in cleaning the boards. Our sixth project is voice control air purifier and sleeping air. Air pollution is a new global problem, and especially in major cities. Sleep deprivation is another problem that has resulted from busy schedules and stress. So here we are going to develop a modern day air purifier which can be operated by just voice commands and also helps one to sleep by playing relaxing sleep music when asked by a user. In this system we are going to use HEPA filters to remove the dust from the air. Our seventh project is water trash controller. Water is essential to life, yet water pollution is one of the most serious environmental threats that we face today. Also, huge manpower and budget would be required for the same. The main aim of floating waste collector project is to clean the waste that gets accumulated on the surface of water bodies, thus keeping the water clean, hence decreasing the water pollution. Swati, next one.
So first it project is IoT smart mirror with news and temperature. On IoT smart mirror with news and temperature is home automation project that utilize Internet of Things technology to display current news and weather information on a mirror. Here some additional information. Applications. The smart mirror can be used in a bathroom, bedroom or any other rooms where a traditional mirror is located. Technology. The smart mirror uses Wi-Fi technology to connect to the internet and receive current news and weather information. The microcontroller and temperature sensor work together to display the information on the mirror. The lot smart mirror with news and temperature project is creativity and practical project. 9 is IoT based smart energy meter. An IoT based smart energy meter with current voltage and cost monitoring is a home automation project that use Internet of Things technology of monitor and track energy uses in home or buildings. Here is some additional information. Applications: the smart energy meters can be installed in home, office or other buildings to monitor and track energy consumptions. Technology: the smart energy meter use Wi-Fi technology to connect to the internet and transmit energy uses data to a cloud-based database. The microcontroller and voltage and current sensor work together to measure the record energy consumption in real time. Map 10 is plant soil moisture and pH sensing alarm using 8051. A plant soil moisture sensor and pH sensing alarm using 8051 is an agriculture project that uses microcontroller technology to monitor and track soil moisture and pH level of plant. Here some additional information. Applications: the plant soil moisture and pH sensing alarm can be used in a home, garden, greenhouse or any other setting where plants are grown. Technologies: the 8051 microcontroller and sensor work together to measure and record soil moisture and pH level. If the soil moisture or pH level fall outside of the specified range, the buzzer or alarm activate to alert the user. Motions based message conveyors for disabled people. Now these people are not capable of full body movement as compared to a normal person. In such a situation, we purpose a system that helps disabled people display a message by just simple motion of any parts of his body. Our purpose system works by reading the bend direction of the user part. This device need to be mounted on user finger hand. The user now just need to tilt means the device of particular angle to convey a message.
Swati, I haven't understood anything of this project. You have to see here and explain it to us. What exactly is this project?
सर इस प्रोजेक्ट में
यहाँ पे देख के बताओ मुझे कि ये प्रोजेक्ट क्या है.
सर इस प्रोजेक्ट में ना जैसे कि एक ऐसा सिस्टम यूज करेंगे जिसमें कि हम उसके फिंगर में कोई एक तो जो सिस्टम है ना उसमें सेंसर और माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूज होंगे और एक उसके फिंगर में हम लगाएंगे कि नॉर्मल पीपल की तरह में. सो हम सबकी तरह वर्क नहीं कर सकते और डिसेबल है और उसके फिंगर से वो कोई मैसेज डिस्प्ले होगा कि कैसा क्या उसका चल.
Still, I haven't understood anything. Anybody? Have you understood the project guides?
No, sir.
I haven't understood the concept of motion-based message conveyor for disabled people. I haven't understood this idea. Can please explain what exactly is this project? You are a guide. Why? Last time it was made very clear. Last time only it was made clear that whatever you are going to present here has to be conveyed to the guide, discussed with the guide thoroughly. Why your guide is saying that this is the first time he is coming across this idea? Why this idea wasn't discussed with the guide? Full 8 days were given to you, like full week was given to you to come up with the ideas, right? Why still I am getting this input from the guide that he is not aware of this idea? Answer. How many have you maintained the log of each day? What you have done in every day? Have you taken the signature of this? Then this why this idea was not discussed with the guide? Answer it.
So actually they gave us some ideas. So what are the already the project which already done, that will be skipped, and I tell them to add some more topics. So maybe there is a
Whatever it is, when you ask them to add some more topics, your topics were discussed, should have been discussed with you. This thing has to be done well in advance, not on the same day. Why this was not done? Guides also have to make sure here onward that whatever students are going to present, each and everything you have to ensure that thing is discussed with you. Simply do not ask students to come here and present of their own. The things which are not discussed should not be presented here. The guide should not be caught unaware. How many times should I tell you this? This is on record now. Next time, if I see anything displayed over here without the permission of the guide or without a discussion with the guide, then you will be thrown out of the class. And ideas have to be generated. That is what made very clear to you. Generated. What do you mean by generated? You should come up with a need and then you should come up with the idea. It's not that you search it from the internet and then, okay, you might have got the hint from the internet, but you should at least try to find out, is there any need of this particular thing? And Swati, while presentation, you are just reading it, whatever is displayed there, without realizing what you are talking about. This is not called as a presentation. And this indicates that you are not prepared. What kind of presentation is this? If you just have to read whatever displayed on the screen, we would have just read by ourselves. You don't have to read it for us, and that too you were not reading it clearly, you were not able to pronounce certain words. We can read better than you. Why you need to read? Is this a preparation? So what is conveyor? What is the meaning of the word conveyor? And please put it on the net. Don't delete this part. Whatever discussions are going on, please put it on the net, internet. Keep it in the video, so that you yourself understand and feel ashamed. What is the meaning of the word conveyor? See, you are presenting something, the meaning of which you are not aware. How illogical it is. Guides, next time ensure whatever they present here, they know the meaning of each and every word. They should take ownership. Students should take an ownership of whatever they are displaying on a screen. You cannot simply display something which you are not aware. Why you are wasting our time? What kind of preparation have you done? You are wasting our time, remember, if you do like this. Next.
Will the voice control then is when allowed to use control and communicate with the
Loudly, very clearly, and you don't have to read this.
allow you to use control command to communicate.
यहाँ पे देख के मुझे बताओ, build a voice control lab. What you are going to do in this?
Turn around. देखो मत.
देखो वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे देखो मत. आप बताओ, आपने पढ़ा है ये? आपने पढ़ाया ना? नहीं पढ़ा तो बाहर जाओ। तो पता मुझे क्या करने वाला वॉइस कंट्रोल लैम्प।
वॉइस से सर वो कंट्रोल करेगा लैम्प को, ऑटोमेटिक ऑन ऑफ।
How you are going to how you are planning to implement this? You might have given a thought when you are presenting an idea. Last time I asked you that whenever you are presenting any idea, also give a thought how you are going to build this particular application, whether that is possible, whether that is feasible or not. Decision matrix, sir has asked you to prepare a decision matrix. I want all of you to present decision matrix here. Voice control lamps, how exactly you are planning to build this?
वॉइस से सर वो कंट्रोल करेगा।
That's okay. The kind of technology that you are going to use, tell me. गाइड्स इतना तो इंश्योर करो जो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं उसका टेक्नोलॉजी क्या, एक बेसिक आइडिया दिस स्टूडेंट शुड हैव। What?
I told them to add this technology used, the points what you have raised, that I already told them, but they are unable to put it in slides.
Have you noted this in their notebook? Whatever instructions.
Today morning they showed me this PPT.
This is not done. Discard them. Let them not present. If today morning they have come up, you come to me and tell them today morning they have come to you.
Only at the time of morning, 8:30 only Lekha was there. After that they came almost at 9 or.
नहीं, अगर last minute if they have come to you, just bring them to me and tell I'll take my decision. I'll take my decision. If they are last minute, if they are coming to you, it's every day that you need to work on the project. It's not that on the last day. This is not a kind of submission that you are writing an assignment and submitting it. If you work every day, then only you are going to build something. It is not easy to build and create. See, now you are in the 6th semester. It's a creation and application level at which you are going to work. First year, second year, 5th semester, you worked on basics and you try to understand things. But now is the time to apply what you have learned and create. There are higher level of understandings, higher level of learnings, creation, analyze, build something, innovate. ये करने वाले हो वहां पर, तो ये ऐसे नहीं प्रेजेंट करना बेटा. You have to understand what exactly the technology that you are going to build, use. लास्ट मिनट ये नहीं होती, इतना इजी नहीं है इंजीनियरिंग. चलो नेक्स्ट.
ऑटोमेटिक बॉटल फिलिंग एंड कैपिंग मशीन।
ये आपने कुछ लिखा है वहां पे, पिछला स्लाइड।
कंपोनेंट्स
ऑफ व्हाट?
वॉइस मेजर एलपीसी 21, ये दोनों नहीं सर, ये दोनों रॉन्ग हो गए। एलपीसी 2148 माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूजिंग इसमें एलसीडी डिस्प्ले एंड एलईडी इंडक्टर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रिले ब्लूटूथ मॉडल एंड रडार वाटर फ्लो रेट मेजरमेंट।
What was the project earlier? You should show me the name of the project. Voice control lamps, right? And you are showing component of the same project. Are you showing me the components of the same project? Project number 12. The next slide. These components.
ये components किस project के हैं?
उसमें थे YouTube में।
कौन से प्रोजेक्ट के कंपोनेंट्स है ये बोलो मुझे।
वही सर, उसमें का ही है।
How you need this water flow rate measurement in this?
आप लैम्प को मॉनिटर कर रहे हो।
तो आया कैसे यहाँ पे? स्लाइड आपने दिखाया था ना, गाइड को दिखाया था ये स्लाइड। ये स्लाइड गाइड को दिखाया, तभी दिखाया रात को। आज प्रेजेंटेशन और रात को तुम यू एक्सपेक्ट गाइड टू सी इट इन द एट नाइट। देखो क्या लेवल का काम कर रहे हो तुम लोग। अब बोल रहे हो 12 नंबर के प्रोजेक्ट का ये कंपोनेंट्स है, तो वाटर फ्लो मेजरमेंट, वाटर सेंसर ये कौन से प्रोजेक्ट में आता है? और ये एंड्रॉइड ऐप लिखा है आपने। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एंड्रॉइड ऐप? इज इट अ रेडीमेड ऐप? क्या आपके थ्रू क्या होने वाला
वॉइस
है?
हम लोग इसमें ही कंट्रोल करेंगे, तभी वो कंट्रोल करेगा हम लोग।
वाटर फ्लो रेट मेजरमेंट क्यों चाहिए आपको लैम्प कंट्रोल करने के लिए? ये पहला लाइन क्या है? वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रियल होम ऑटोमेशन यूजिंग 32-bit ARM कंट्रोल। पहला लाइन क्या है? इज इट नेम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट? Is it project number 13? प्रेजेंटेशन एटलीस्ट 2 दिन पहले, जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन में ऐड करने वाले हो, एटलीस्ट 2 दिन पहले आपके गाइड के साथ डिस्कस होना चाहिए। और जो डिस्कस होगा वही प्रेजेंटेशन में आना चाहिए। सरप्राइज दे रहे हो क्या हमको? चलो नेक्स्ट।
ऑटोमेटिक बॉटल फिलिंग एंड कैपिंग मशीन यूजिंग एलपीसी 214। इसमें ना सर वो हम लोग ऐसा एक डिवाइस बनाएंगे जो ऑटोमेटिक बॉटल को जितना मेजरमेंट पानी जितना चाहिए वो करेगा और कैपिंग सेट करेगा।
See the description you have written in this project. The filling of the bottles is controlled by using controller known as PLC, and you are using LPC. So is it typing mistake? PLC means something else, and actually the PLC control हो सकता है आपका bottle filling and capping. So what exactly is the thing? PLC or LPC? LPC. LPC रहेगा तो LPC 21 PLC के आगे L2148 होना चाहिए था। चलो मैंने मान लिया LPC का PLC हो गया, लेकिन आगे 2148 होना चाहिए था। Are you going to build this using PLC or LPC 2148? Because your explanation gives some other thing, and explanation says DC motor is selected for better performance, which has nothing to do with the. So is it PLC or LPC? Have you shown this to the guide? ये दिखाया था? कभी दिखाया था ये? रात को। और वो 12 बजे रहेगा। कितने बजे दिखा? 11 ना? Is it the time to show this to the guide? चलो कैंसिल करो, जाने दो, कुछ प्रॉपर काम नहीं किया हुआ है। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सी द फर्दर प्रेजेंटेशन। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप।